this video we're gonna check performance of a charger that comes with Black Shark 5 Pro. And we'll do this by plugging in the charger to custom smart socket. It will show us exact statistics on this device on the left. So now let's plug in the charger, cable, then we can add some power, and lastly connect the cable. So here let's wait about 30 seconds till all of the statistics right here are stable. So here we have it. You can see the exact statistics right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.